Hi, my name is Micah, and thanks for joining me as we talk about another interesting topic in the world of Romtec Utilities pumping systems.
When pumping systems fail, it can be highly disruptive for owners and their maintenance staff. This is why fail-safe measures are engineered into pumping systems to detect irregularities and prevent catastrophic system failures. Phase monitoring relays are crucial to the system and really the first line of defense. The goal of this device is to detect power-related issues in hopes of preventing system damage and to notify the maintenance personnel that the system is without adequate power. Some common issues that can arise are overvoltage, undervoltage, phase reversal, phase imbalance, and phase loss. When conditions are stable, this will be communicated via a green LED on the device. When the phase monitor relay detects fault conditions, the LED will provide specific red failure lights to expedite troubleshooting from maintenance personnel. A solid red light indicates phase reversal. A red flashing light, depending on the flash sequence, can indicate phase loss, low voltage, or undervoltage. Having phase monitor relays to automatically detect issues, notify operators, and shut down pumps to prevent damage is greatly beneficial when maintaining and servicing pumping systems.
Thanks again for joining me to discuss another aspect of Romtec Utilities pumping systems. Romtec Utilities designs and supplies systems across all water types and looks forward to hearing from you on your next pumping system project.